Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Besynersharp Pro, a USB electric knife sharpener flooding Amazon and social media. With the knife sharpener scam industry full of rebranded cheap Chinese products marked up 300 to 500%, is Besynersharp real or another dropshipping gimmick? Let's break it down. So is Besynersharp Pro real? Yes, Besynersharp Pro is a real product available on Amazon. Not a complete scam. It's an actual USB powered electric knife sharpener that exists and functions. However, real doesn't mean good quality or worth your money. Let us explain the knife sharpener industry problem. Here's what professional sharpeners expose. Many companies take $5 to $15 generic Chinese sharpeners from AliExpress or Alibaba, slap a fancy Western brand name on them like Wasabi, Pro Knife Sharpener, Senzu, or yes, Besynersharp, then sell them for $30 to $80 with zero improvement in quality. One professional knife sharpener stated, "What's really annoying is I see people slapping names like Wasabi or Pro Knife Sharpener on something that costs around $39 and then selling them for $180 or more. The actual name of the real product is Ruisin. They just call it by a Japanese name on their websites to make you think it's something better than a cheap Chinese-made sharpener. Besynersharp Pro is essentially a generic electric sharpener with basic grinding wheels in a USB-powered housing. The technology isn't revolutionary. It's standard sharpening mechanics you can find in dozens of identical products under different brand names for $10 to $20 on Temu or AliExpress. The USB power is a gimmick that sounds convenient but limits motor power, making sharpening slower and less effective than plug-in models. Professional knife enthusiasts generally don't recommend electric sharpeners at all because they remove too much metal and can ruin blade geometry. But does it work? It will sharpen dull knives to some degree, making them sharper than they were. However, the quality of the edge won't match manual sharpening with whetstones or quality pull-through sharpeners. Electric sharpeners are aggressive, removing significant metal with each use, shortening your knife's lifespan. The similar product Sensu sharpener has brutal Trustpilot reviews, with victims reporting items never arriving, missing sharpening components, or products breaking immediately. One user ordered 2 months ago and never received it, calling it a scam. Another received the sharpener, but the actual sharpening piece wasn't included in the unit. Final verdict: Besynersharp Pro is real, but overpriced. If you want a quick electric sharpener and don't care about premium edges, it'll make dull knife sharper. But for better value, buy established brands like Chef's Choice or learn proper manual sharpening with whetstones. Your knives will thank you. Don't fall for the USB gimmick or fancy branding. It's basic tech dressed up with marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.